madam.
We hope you are doing well.
I'm fine.
As you can see, Master is here for a very important announcement. So please, you minimize your noise, you straighten up your lines, and you cooperate with us. Is that clear?
Yes, madam.
Yes,
medium.
All right, thank you so much.
Hola.
Students of this wonderful grade school. As you know, I am moving to Stranger. As you all are aware, that we have everything at our disposal in this school. But we have one problem, of course, French teacher. That is what we are lacking in this school. And now, by His grace, we've gotten a new and a perfect French master who's going to help us with our French. Mr. Likee. I love you. So what I will say is, whenever you have a problem, don't hesitate to call on him. And I believe very well he will be there to support and help us. Maybe you have one word to say, so the floor is for you. Thank you for apologizing. Allah.
Bonjour!
Let me introduce myself. I'm Sir Likee. You can call me Gogo or Actually. So now I'm a French teacher. You can call me La. The name is small, but you can call me Lau. So, bonjour Michel, oui, ça va, je vous plais, je vous vais.
Who said that?
Please, with all due respect, we should comport ourselves whenever the teachers come to our class. Teachers,
Yes, madam.
you see, this one is too much. And we consider ourselves as you are done in advance. So I beg of you, whenever the teachers come to our class, please, I beg of you, exercise patience. Let me call you, I'm whatever or the teachers, I beg of you.